Good morning everyone. We are celebrating Gandhiji's 151st birth anniversary. Because of his struggle for India's independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name of Father of the Nation. Also sometimes we call him Bapu. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to pay him a tribute. He devoted his life to India's independence by using his strong weapon, non-violence. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember Gandhi's principles of peace and non-violence, and to educate and inspire the present generation. The contribution made by Gandhiji to make India an independent country. Gandhiji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in a small coastal town of Gujarat known as Porbandar in 1869. He was an honest man and true lover. Being such a great leader, preferred to wear khadi clothes. He did great works all through his life, which still has an impact on the people in this modern era. In the history of India, Gandhiji will always be remembered on his birthday. Let us remember him and celebrate this day with joy and prosperity. His life was an inspiration for all of us. PM Narendra Modi ji has marked the birthday of Gandhiji as Swachhta Divas. Since their Swachhta Abhiyan is carried in the country to initiate cleanliness, this requires the support of each individual. On behalf of St. Thomas's family, I wish you all Gandhi Jayanti. Let us remember the teachings of Gandhiji in our lives. Thank you.
Good morning, students. Today is a very special day as we celebrate the birthday of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji, you must have read about him in every class. He was a very simple man who had great ideas for the country, and he was the one to bring about the freedom of our country. It was not an easy task that time. We did not have phones. Media was not very active because the technology was not very good. But Gandhiji did not lose hope. Why? Because he had a vision. Vision in life is very important, students. And that is what we can learn from Gandhiji. He had a very strong vision for the country, and that is what he led. He wanted the country to get freedom, and so he worked for the freedom. He took the help of all the Indians. It was we Indians who did it, maybe our forefathers. So children, we need to learn a lot from Gandhiji. Today, there are certain things that I want to speak to you about Gandhiji. We all really need to know about his life. He was a very simple man. A simple man who always thought for the betterment of the people. And not only politics, but even for the cleanliness of the people. Swachhta Abhiyan, that is started by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. This Swachhta Abhiyan was also brought about by Mahatma Gandhi. He wanted people to understand the importance of hygiene. And today, when we are fighting with Corona, we know that hygiene is very important. So today again we need to follow the path of Gandhiji. Students, these leaders are like torch for us. They show us the way. Problems are going to be there every time, but they teach us how to fight with those problems and how to come out of those problems. And so, students, I want that we all should learn something from the life of Gandhiji so that we can change ourselves, we can change our society, we can become better human beings. First, we need to become better human beings, only then we can help out others. So, just like Gandhiji, you also need to spread स्वच्छता everywhere. अपने घरों को साफ रखें, अपने स्कूल को साफ रखना है, साफ रहना है ताकि बीमारियां ना हों. कितना ज़रूरी है ये आज के टाइम में. Another important thing, Gandhiji was a very simple man who did not believe in revenge. वो बदला नहीं लेते थे. वो हमेशा ये कहते थे कि बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि हम अपने को काम रखें. We need to keep ourselves calm. We need to forgive each other and we need to become good human beings. I want to wish you all once again Happy Gandhi Jayanti and let us all learn from the life of Gandhiji. Simplicity is very important. We need to learn to be simple. We need to learn to have visions for our lives and for others. And how we need to unite to fight for our country, for the betterment of our country. Students, as you are at home on Gandhi Jayanti, just read about Gandhiji, just meditate about Gandhiji. We all have heard his song, Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram. We all need to follow his good ideas which are relevant even today. So please don't forget to follow them. Let us all come together and let us all try to learn something from the life of Gandhiji. We have to follow the path of Satyagraha. It was called Satyagraha. Sach bolna. We have to learn to speak the truth. We all need to be honest in our lives, in whatever we are doing. In our dealings with others, we all need to become honest. Students, honesty is very, very important. And so, I want to encourage all my students to become honest in life. Children, if we are dishonest, we might get the benefit for some time, but later on, we will be the losers. So, we all need to be honest. Now, I wind up here. Wishing you all Happy Gandhi Jayanti, and I hope and pray that our country progresses each day and we follow the path of Gandhiji. Jai Hind.
हाथ में लकड़ी, कमर पर धोती और आजादी की धुन। किसी ने इन्हें बापू कहा तो किसी ने महात्मा। देश ने राष्ट्रपिता कहकर पुकारा। आपको गुजरात की उन खास जगहों को दिखाने जा रहा है जो मोहन से महात्मा बनने की साक्षी बनी। ये 22 कमरे और 3 मंजिल जगमगा उठे जब मोहन जन्मे, जो देश को नया जन्म देने वाले थे। गांधी जी ने अपने जीवन के 6 साल यहीं पर गुजारे। उनके बगल में कीर्ति मंदिर है, जहाँ पर इस महात्मा का पवित्र जीवन महकता है। गांधी जी यहाँ आखिरी बार 1928 में आए थे। राजकोट का घर आज भी बापू के बचपन की कहानियां बखूबी बयां करता है। अल्फ्रेड स्कूल की पढ़ाई इन्होंने यहीं पर रहकर की। जिस स्कूल में इन्होंने पढ़ाई की अब उसे मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी शाला नाम से जाना जाता है। साउथ अफ्रीका से सत्याग्रह का प्रयोग करने के बाद इन्होंने कठियावाड़ का रुख किया, फिर अहमदाबाद लौटे। 20 मई 1915 को कोचरल गांव में एक आश्रम बनाकर यहीं से स्वतंत्रता संग्राम की शुरुआत की। बापू यहाँ लगभग 2.5 साल तक रहे। इसके बाद 17 जून 1917 को साबरमती आश्रम की स्थापना की। नमक सत्याग्रह के लिए गांधी जी ने साबरमती आश्रम से दांडी तक की यात्रा की। शुरुआत में उनके साथ 78 साथी थे, जिनकी संख्या धीरे धीरे बढ़ती चली गई। लगभग 390 किलोमीटर का सफर तय कर 5 अप्रैल को दांडी पहुँचे। शाम का समय था और दांडी के समुद्र किनारे इन्होंने एक मुट्ठी नमक उठाकर देश में होने वाली नई क्रांति का बिगुल बजा दिया। ये पल देश के इतिहास में स्वर्ण अक्षरों में अंकित हुआ। गुजरात में इन जगहों को गांधी सर्किट के नाम से जाना जाता है। इन्हीं जगहों से होते हुए बापू मोहनदास से महात्मा बन गए।